ini saya Mister untuk kalian. Selamat Hari Guru ya. Tetap semangat mengajarnya.
Happy Teacher's Day. Hope you have a very nice day, Mr. and Miss. God bless you.
Teacher's Day to all the teachers in Charis Global School and for every teachers out there. I want to thank you for everything you've taught me academically and for helping me improve myself every day.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mr. and Mrs. Hope you have a great day and God bless you.
Happy Teacher's Day, teachers. I want to say thank you for everything you have done for me. And thank you for all the fun memories that we have made. And I know we will make more fun memories in the future.
Happy Teacher's Day, Miss and Mr. I hope you have a great day and God bless you. Happy Teacher's Day, Miss and Mr.
Happy Teacher's Day! Thank you, teachers, for protecting us from danger at school and teaching us very nicely and treat us nice and also think about us. Thank you so much, teachers. Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day and wish you have a great life.